is going to be string formatting, which is essentially just changing the string to be like another string. I'll show you. See? As you can see, right? Printed yellow, but in all uppercase because we put dot. Let's try that in reverse. As you can see, dot lower changes every single letter inside the string to lowercase. Dot upper changes every single letter inside the string to uppercase. There is another one which changes it to title. It capitalizes the first letter of the word, right? Capitalized. This can be very useful for names, right? \n will change to a new line, right? So this looks all like one line, correct? All one line. But a minute, two lines because of the backslash n. Backslash n basically just means new line. You got a new line now. And that is the basics of string formatting. I hope you learned something. Have a good day.